Hello and welcome everyone in my today's live stream. Thank you so much everybody for joining my live today. I really appreciate everyone. You all have come to join my live stream. Thank you so much everybody. Thank you so much. Okay, so please stay connected. Okay everybody, till the end of this live stream, because this live stream is going to be something different. Okay everybody, why I am saying, because I'm going to discuss about something different, new launch pool. Okay, new launch pool, which is Get Live Launch Pool, ALLO project. Okay, so we'll discuss. I will going to discuss about this wonderful project everybody. So for that you need to stay connected everybody. First of all, good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. Thank you everybody for joining. Okay guys, don't you forget to like my live stream everybody and join my live stream everybody. Okay everyone. Yes, also I would like to say one thing everybody. In the middle of this live stream, if somebody wanted to ask me any question, you can ask everybody. Okay? Alright. Okay everyone, so this is the Get Launch Pool. Okay? Get Launch Pool will launch ALO, which is RWA, pledged BTC and GT to receive airdrops, and rewards will be distributed in real time. Okay, so pledge BTC and GT to receive airdrops, and the rewards will be distributed in the real time, my dear loved ones. Okay, so Get Launch Pool will list a ALO RWA. You can earn RWA raw token reward every hour. Okay, raw token rewards every hour by staking BTC and GT everybody. Okay, you can be able to earn the raw token rewards every hour by staking BTC and GT. ओके, स्टेक करना है आपको BTC एंड GT के साथ. एयर ड्रॉप डिटेल्स. सो माइनिंग टाइम इज going to start on 26th of May everyone. 26th of May, mining time is going to be start 2025 and it will go on till June 3rd 2025 UTC. Okay, detail you must be know everybody. So 20 p.m. on May 26, 2025 to 20 p.m. on June 3rd, 2025 everyone. Okay, total mining amount. Okay, so this is the total mining amount RWA. So this mining amount varies with the project everybody, and for this project the mining amount is this much everybody. Okay, so this is around 4 crore everyone. ठीक है, इतना RWA हमें मिलेगा. तो टोटल माइनिंग अमाउंट है जो. ओके, unlocking method if you wanted to know. So the unlocking method is 100% unlocking. Get Launch Pool supports users to pledge in advance before the project is officially launched. You can pledge your assets in advance to ensure that you can start earning rewards as soon as the project starts the mining. Okay, So this is very important line everybody. जो launch pool है that supports the pledge in advance. एडवांस पे प्लेज को सपोर्ट करता है ये गेट. एंड जब ये प्रोजेक्ट बिफोर ऑफिशियली लॉन्च हो जाता है तो you can pledge your asset in advance to ensure that you can start earning rewards as soon as the project starts the mining. All right, now we'll see the reward distribution section. So the system, okay guys, system will distribute token rewards to users spot accounts every hour according to the proportion of users pledge assets. All right, according to the, okay guys, proportion of users pledge assets. Okay, so this is very important everyone. Okay, how the reward distributions going on. So the reward is distributed, system will distribute the reward. Oh Discovery, hi, hello brother, hello brother, how are you? Thank you so much Discovery for joining my live. Thank you so much. Okay, get launch pool frequently asked question. I will go through that as well. Okay, good evening Biba, thank you so much for joining. Okay, so how to participate? Log into your get account. You need to complete identity verification, enter launch pool, hold no less than, okay, hold no less than this much of BTC by 0.01 GT, click pledge. And you, I am also fine. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Okay, so VIP users exclusive staking limit bonus. Okay, so VIP 5 and above users participating in the launch pool enjoy exclusive staking limit. Okay, limit writes up to 500% staking limit bonus everybody. Staking limit bonus is 500%, up to 500%. All right, so basic information, we have provided you the official website link as well. I'll go through that link as well everybody. Okay, so project basic information. So ALLO is building the world's first tokenized stock trading platform committed to achieving 24/7 trading. Okay, ultra low fees. Okay guys, ultra low fees, 24/7 trading volume, ultra low fees and instant settlement, making investment opportunities within reach. Through blockchain technology, Allo has successfully tokenized $2.2 billion in real assets RWA, pledged $500 million worth of BTC, okay, and launched 100 million lending services everyone. So this was the basic information about the project everyone. Okay, official. Okay, so precautions is also given here everybody. Precautions is also given here. So get launch. Okay, get launch is an innovative staking airdrop platform. Users can earn hot coins airdrops every hour by staking GT, BTC, ETH and USDT or other tokens. It has a low threshold and high annualized return, making it easy to capture market opportunities. Participating users must first complete identity authentication to ensure the security of your account and assets. Please abide by the relevant activity rules when participating. Any cheating is prohibited. Okay, everybody, any cheating is prohibited. Any cheating will result in disqualification from winning the prize. In the event of the any discrepancy between the translated version and the English version, okay, everybody, so English को preference दिया जाएगा. Get reserves the right of final interpretation of this event. This event has nothing to do with appliance. Users in the United Kingdom and other restricted regions cannot use all the parts of the services, including participating in this event. Games of competition. For detailed information about restricted regions, please read users agreement. Okay. So yeah, Candy Drop. Okay, everybody, Candy Drop. So Candy Drop में ये launch हुआ है आलो, which is RWA Raw. Trade and share three. Okay, everybody. 3 crore RWA, everybody. Okay, so देख सकते हो, sorry, it's 30 lakh RWA. तो आप देख सकते हो कितना ज़्यादा यहाँ पर हमारा ट्रेड एंड शेयर है. सो डेटा, you need to see the data, everybody. Now, Candy Drop is a candy airdrop platform. Okay, everybody. So Candy Drop is a candy airdrop platform launched by Get. Users can win candy by completing tasks and participating in token airdrop. A total of 30 lakh RW will be shared in this period. Okay, a total of 30 lakh RW will be shared in this period, everybody. So event time. Okay, everyone, guideline is given for the event time. So it has started on 11 a.m. May 23rd, which so mining it is in progress, everybody. Okay, it is already in progress. So and it will end on यहाँ पर 29 May 2025 को it will going to end. Okay, so the total prize pool is 30 lakh RWA and maximum share per person is 10,000 RWA, everybody. Good morning, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for joining. Okay, how to participate? So go to the Candy Drop page. I'll navigate to the page. Go to the Candy Drop page. Click participate now in the project list and complete the corresponding okay, and complete the corresponding tasks through the event interface. After the user successfully completes the designated recharge transactions and friend in invitation task, Candy Drop will start to count your okay. Candy Drop will start to count your valid activity data. Hey, hello. All right. Okay. So यहाँ पर है हमारा you will get corresponding candies. Okay, you will get corresponding candies based on the completion of the task and share the airdrops corresponding to the proportion. All right. And share the airdrop according to the proportion. Okay. Candy will be distributed 1 to 3 hours. Okay, everybody. Candy will be after the users complete the task. Please log in 3 hours after completion. The task to view the candy obtained by candy drop, everybody. Contract contract trading reward pool rules. Okay. During the event, users with cumulative contract trading volume $1,000 raw can get candies. Different candy rewards can be unlocked according to the threshold reached. A maximum of 9 candies can be obtained to share the 30 lakh RWA prize. Okay. I hope everybody is understanding this project, everybody. If at some point, if some part of this project you are not understanding, then please do let me know, everybody. I will make you understand, everyone. ओके. So price pool यहाँ पर contract trading volume is equals to the opening volume plus closing volume. User airdrop is equals to the number of candies obtained by the user by number of candies obtained by all users multiply by 30 lakh RWA. Participating in the raw contract trading activity will earn you the following candies. Okay. So activity details: 1,000 greater than equals to raw contract transactions amount should be greater than $40,000. 4,000, everybody. Number of candies is equals to 1. Now, $4,000 raw contract transactions should be greater than $11,000. So number of candies is 3. Raw contract transactions amount should be greater than equals to, okay, should be less than, और यहाँ पे greater than में है $11,000, everybody. And the number of candies is 5. Okay, project introduction, I will take a look. Okay, detailed look of the project introduction, everybody. Every important points I am going to discuss with you. So CryptoGate is a secure, fast and easy way to trade over 3,800 cryptocurrencies, everybody. Register now. Okay, registered with us to receive up to $10,000 in welcome bonus. Okay, invite others to register and receive 40% commission, everybody. Okay. Now this is the launch pool section. So launch pool section का frequently asked question is very much important. Okay. So get, what is get launch pool? ये यहाँ पे है हमारा ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे. Yeah. So Get Launch Pool is an innovative staking airdrop platform. Users can earn hot coin airdrops every hour by staking BTC, GT, ETH, USDT or other tokens. It has low threshold and high annualization, making it easy to capture market opportunities. Okay, making it easy to capture market opportunities. How to participate in Get Launch, everybody? So first you need to log into your Get personal account to enter the Get Launch Pool page. Select the project you want to participate in and pledge your asset on the pledge page. Okay, so this is the video tutorial. Just have a look on this video tutorial, everybody. ये यहाँ पे हमारा ओके. चलो यहाँ पे which tokens can I use to participate in Get Launch Pool? The specific tokens that can be used will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please go to the corresponding Get Launch Pool event page to view the detailed rules. Okay, to view the detailed rules, everybody. Okay, how much mining rewards can I get? Hourly staking income is equals to the personal effective staking quantity in the latest hour by total staking quantity of pool uses multiplied by hourly reward pool. Okay, the system will take multiple snapshot. Hourly staking income is equals to the personal effective staking quantity in the latest hour by staking quantity of pool users multiplied by hourly reward pool. The system will take multiple snapshot of the individual staking quantity every hour. Okay. So how are mining rewards distributed? Okay. The system will take a snapshot of the number of tokens placed by users and issue token rewards to users who meet the requirements. The staking rewards will be distributed to the user's spot account every hour. So when can the pledge assets be redeemed? So when the users redeems in advance or the pledge ends, the user's pledge funds will be automatically checked and transferred to UBBOW by default. If the check is unchecked, it will be returned to spot assets. So number one, if the redemption asset amount is too small and does not meet the minimum subscription amount of UBBOW, the assets will be automatically transferred to spot assets. If UBBOW does not support the subscriptions of the redeemed currency, the assets will also be automatically transferred to the spot, everybody. Okay. These were the some important frequently asked questions. So here is, will my VIP level be affected if I stake my assets in Get Launch Pool? So the answer is no. Assets staked in Get Launch Pool will be eligible for Hodler Airdrop Launchpad and VIP equity holding statistics. Okay, so yeah, now this is the Candy Drop page, everybody, and this is the raw. Okay, everybody, it is ongoing, everybody. Total price pool you are getting here is 3 lakh. Okay, everybody, sorry, 30 lakh price pool, and the participants is 13,556. 13,556 participants. Allocated candies is 3,077. So allocated candies is 3,077. Events end. Okay, everybody. Event ends in 4 day, 16 hour, 32 minutes. Everybody, 4 days, 16 hour, 32 minutes. Okay. So this is the information. Okay, everybody. So it has been launched on Candy Drop Raw. Official website X Twitter handling is given here. I will take a dive of that as well. Okay. So Alo is a build the world's first exchange for tokenized stocks with 24 into 7 trading, low fees, and instant settlement to democratize investment. Okay, everybody. ये बहुत important line. So an instant settlement to democratize investment. Okay. So guys, again I am saying, if somebody wanted to ask me any question related to the current prevailing topic, please feel free to ask me the questions, everyone. Okay. So now, what you need to do, you need to complete task to share 30 lakh RWA prize pool. 30,000 RWA prize pool. So here the total tokens is 30 lakh and the individual share limit is 10,000. Individual share limit is 10,000. Allocated candies is 3,077. Okay, my candies is 0. So yeah, complete tasks to earn candy from prize pool, everyone. So RWA futures trading task. Achieve a futures trading volume of 1000, say 399 USDT to receive one candy. Okay, this is the task 1. Task 2 is RWA futures trading task. So what you need to do, achieve a future trading volume of 4,000 to 10,999 USDT to receive 3 candy. Okay, everybody, what is your task 3? So task 3 is raw futures trading task. Achieve a future trading volume of 11,000 USDT to receive 5 candy. Okay, 5 candies. Activity rule is also given here, everybody. So during the event, you need to understand, listen very carefully the activity rules. So during the event, users with cumulative futures trading volume is greater than is equals to 1000 USDT. Raw can receive candies up to a maximum of 9 candies and share in the 30 lakh raw prize pool. Futures trading volume is equals to open interest plus close interest. Okay, open interest plus close interest. So frequently asked questions. When will candies be distributed after completing task? Candy will be distributed within 1 to 3 hours after user's complete task. Please log in and check the candies obtained from Candy Drop after 3 hours. Okay, everybody, this frequently asked question section is very much important. Okay, now how is the user airdrop calculated? Okay, so the amount of tokens a user receives is proportional to the candies earned relative to all users' candies. The formula is user airdrop, okay guys, is equals to number of candies obtained by the user, which is divided by total number of candies obtained by all users in multiplication the events prize pool. Okay, events prize pool. What are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop? Users participating in Candy Drop must complete identity verification. Market makers, businesses, and institutions are not eligible for this event. Okay, everybody, market makers, businesses, and institutions are not eligible for this event. So, this you need to clear out, everybody. बहुत important है. Terms and conditions is also given here. I will take a look. So, terms and conditions देख ही लेते हैं. Participants must click the Join Now button on the Candy Drop event page to be redirected to the raw event and complete event task along with identity verification to qualify for rewards. Yes, very important to qualify for the rewards. You need to done with identity verification. So the second terms and conditions is rewards will be distributed within 14 business days after the event concludes. Total event rewards are 30 lakh RWA. Number 3, bulk registration of multiple accounts, malicious volume manipulation, wash trading, self-dealing, and or other cheating behaviors are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts verified under the same user identity will be considered a single account. Sub accounts are not eligible for participation. Market makers businesses and institutions. This line is very much important, everybody. Okay, market makers, businesses, and institutions are not eligible for this event. Affiliate accounts cannot join referral activities but can participate in all other events without restriction. Okay. In case of discrepancies between the translated version and the English version shall prevail. Get reserves the final right of interpretation for this event. Okay. Get reserves the final right of interpretation for this event. Users from restricted regions will be unable to use all or parts of the services, including participation in this event, games, or contests. For detailed information regarding restricted regions, please refer to the user agreement. Risk warning, guys, risk warning. Users must bear in mind, okay? Users must bear in mind that cryptocurrency trading is affected by multiple factors such as market dynamics and regulatory policies. Market prices are highly volatile and unpredictable. Please pay close attention to market risks and trade cautiously. So get.io always reminds you about the risk warning, everybody. Okay, chalo. This was the launch pool candy draw page. Now this is the official website, everybody. This is the official website. हमारा ये official website. Do your own research. Okay, so you can click on https alu.xyz. Okay, trade stock. Okay, coin market cap में I think it has been listed. And trade stocks on chain. You can start your trading. Okay, everybody. 24 into 7 global tokenized. 24 into 7 token global tokenized stock exchange. So low fees, $0, low fees, zero gas and low fees on all orders. 10x up to 10x leverages coming soon. Trading with conviction to maximize capital efficiency. 24 into 7 trading coming soon. Trade perpetual stocks 24 into 7. Seamless one click trading, no wallet approvals to interrupt your flow. Okay, everybody, no click trading, no wallet approvals to interrupt your flow. Okay, so community 814k plus on the community, everybody. They have this much of X Twitter handling, followers, telegrams, and Instagram. Okay, so community, the Alu army is a global force of over. Okay, everybody, 8,14,650 strong is on a mission to revolutionize the world of crypto by making real world assets tradable and accessible to everyone. Together, we aim to make ALU the most recognized and widely used cryptocurrency worldwide, known for our epic social media takeovers and viral ALU memes. Known for our epic social media viral ALU memes, we harness the power of the community to drive awareness and adoption. At the heart of ALU, is our vibrant community, the true engine behind our growth and success. Together, we are shaping the future of finance, one trade at a time. Okay, news related. Are you secure? These are the news related to everybody. ठीक है? About पे जाते हैं. So what is the vision? Okay, everybody, I always said this, before doing investment in any project, you should first know the vision. Okay, vision. Okay, everybody. So the leading raw platform, everybody. Mission is the leading raw platform. So what is the vision? Okay, tokenize $1 trillion plus in real world assets by 2030. Make raw liquid by simplifying tokenization and investment. Enabling 2 minutes to tokenize. Okay, everybody. Vision is very clear. The three most important visions. Okay, everybody. Partnerships is given here. Get.io Labs partnership. So yeah, हियर टोकेनाइज्ड फंड्स में हमें $2.2 बिलियन प्लस 161K प्लस यूनिक वॉलेट्स, 814K प्लस कम्युनिटी, 1600 plus number of ROS, 240K plus HNWI clients. Okay. Alo advantage. Okay, everybody must be must wanted to know ki what are all the advantages. Why should you invest in this project? Okay. So let us take a dive of the advantages. What are all advantages you are getting? Okay, as comparison to other project. So everybody, this is the instant setup. Okay, 10 plus blockchains. Okay, efficient infrastructure. These are the four most important important advantage of this wonderful project. Instant setup, 10 plus blockchains, efficient infrastructure. So team guys, they are the team. They are the team Kingsley Advani, founding CEO, early investor in Securitize, Polymath, St. Regis as Spain, Louise Brecky, founding research, operations and compliance, Pankaj Rathod, chief founding engineer, director of engineering, Richard Nichols, founding member and director of operations. Okay, so the four team, the members, okay, team members 4 यहाँ पे, ठीक है, and you can check their I think Twitter handling. Okay, the LinkedIn भी है यहाँ पे दिया हुआ. Okay, many more are there. Ayush Powal, founding member and senior blockchain engineer. Mohit Chandel, founding member and software engineer. Dhruvin Prajapati, founding member and senior software engineer. Nitin Dwivedi, founding member and senior marketing manager. So team देख सकते हो आप लोग. Adayan Negi, founding member and the marketing. Arya Fainto, founding member and UI/UX design. Okay guys, so they have the team member. Advisors is also given here. Amrit Kumar, Pete Abila and Arun Diva Bhaktuni. Advisors. Okay everybody. So this was the airdrops. देखिए team members. Alo season 2 coming soon. Okay, Alo season 2 coming soon. Claim RWA. Okay everybody, claim RWA. Unlocking tokenization for everyone. Okay. So check your claim status. Total wallets is this much. Total points, total Aru tokens claimed and total wallets claimed tokens. Okay. Alright everybody. So we have seen the about, rewards देख लेते, earn Alo points and convert to token. Okay, what you need to do, how it works everybody, you need to just earn Alo points and convert to tokens. Track Alo points on your rewards dashboard. Your path to raw words. RWA. Raw words. Raw words. I think this is raw words. Okay. Start earning Alo points, claim them, and unlock your gateway to exclusive rewards, everyone. Start earning Alo points, claim them, and unlock your gateway to exclusive rewards. Okay, earn points, participate in Alo campaign and activities to earn point. Okay, how will you be able to earn points? You need to participate in Alo campaign and activities to earn point. Claim Alo points. Register on Alo app and go to rewards in the okay. So track your status. Earn Alo point. Okay, everybody. So yeah, this was the very important parts. Not just take a dive of the our launch pool get.io launch pool official Twitter handling page, everybody. So this is the get launch pool stake BTC GT to earn this much of RO raw, everybody. Okay, you will be able to earn this much of RO. Staking period is given here. Staking period 12 p.m. May 26 to 12 p.m. June 3 UTC. 500% staking cap boost for VIPs. Highest established APR up to 31.56%, everybody. Can you imagine? Highest is established APR is 31.56%. Stake early rewards auto distributed when mining starts. Okay, so this is the official Twitter handling of Alo. So in VIPs can enjoy up to 500% staking cap boost. Okay, Calioth, thank you so much for joining, Calioth. Okay, guys, any question, any query related to the current prevailing topic, guys, please do let me know. Okay, please do let me know. I will clear out every doubt of yours. Okay, everybody, just ask me the questions. So this is our official get launch का हमारा देखने को मिल रहा है, ये वाला जो हमें है. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा यस्टरडे ओनली ये पोस्ट डाला गया था गेट लॉन्च के ऑफिशियल ट्विटर हैंडलिंग पे. एंड सो दिस इज द ऑफिशियल ट्विटर हैंडलिंग ऑफ दिस project, everybody, which is alo_xyz. Okay, so building world's first tokenized stock exchange, accelerated by at the rate. Okay, oh, all right. So building world's first tokenized stock exchange. Okay, so Sciences Technology they have joined on January 2024, and they have the total followings of 117 followings, and they have the total followers 260.7k followers. Okay, okay, any questions? So this is the official Twitter handling, guys. They have provided their official website as well. So before doing investment in any project, guys, you should be doing your own research. Doing own research is very much important, guys. Okay, I think I have provided you enough information as I could. If I have left something, I don't think so I have left something. Okay, but still I am saying, if you have any query, please ask me anything. Okay, everybody, anything. You can ask me about this wonderful project. Okay, so I have provided you the official website. Okay, and यहाँ पे हमारा I have uh, provided you the ex official Twitter handling of the this wonderful project. Okay, so do your own research as well, everybody. We'll see the risk warning. Risk warning is very much important. Get.io always reminds you about the risk warning. You need to just take a look, okay, and just adhere the risk warning and the rules, everybody. Okay, and also don't invest beyond your investment capacity, everybody. Okay, so blockchain startup projects are still in their early stages, and there may be great risk in the project's operation. Underlying okay, so blockchain startup project are still in their early stages, and there may be great risk in the project's operations. Underlying technology and legal and regulatory environment. The second one is understanding blockchain startups and accessing their inherent risk requires advanced technical and financial knowledge affected by technology, laws and regulations, market and other factors. The price of the project. The price of the project you participate in may fluctuate dramatically, and the price may drop or increase significantly. It may happen that due to the underlying technology of the project or the get trading platform, the project you participated in may not be able to withdraw all or part of the funds. Okay, cryptocurrency projects are high risk, everyone. Yes, that's what I was saying few minutes ago, that cryptocurrency projects are high risk. Cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile. The project owner has not set a margin and does not provide any price commitment or price break guarantee. Please participate only when you fully understand the risk and can bear them. The platform strongly reminds the risk and can bear them. The platform strongly reminds you of the risk but cannot, oh, sorry, when you fully understand the risk and can bear them. So participate only when you fully understand the risk and can bear them. The platform strongly reminds you of the risk. Okay, strongly reminds you of the risk but cannot assume any responsibility for guarantee compensation for investment behavior. Okay, everybody. CryptoGet is a secure, fast, and easy way to trade over 3,800 cryptocurrency. Okay, everybody. 3,800 cryptocurrencies register. Okay, register hai. So now you can earn. This is the activity, everybody. Now to receive up to $10,000 welcome bonus, invite others to register. Okay, you can invite others to register and receive 40% commission. Okay, you will be able to receive the 40% commission, everyone. Okay, I hope I have provided you the enough information as I could. Okay, So please ask me the questions, everybody. Okay, total mining amount, just have a look, everybody. This varies with the project. Okay, this varies with the project, and total mining amount इतना दिया हुआ है. Okay, guys. लॉन्च पूल सेक्शन पे चलते हैं हमारा. लॉन्च पूल सेक्शन आ गया हमारा. कैंडी ड्रॉप आ गया. कैंडी ड्रॉप का सेक्शन आ गया. ठीक है, यहाँ पे टोटल नंबर कंप्लीट टास्क टू रिसीव एयर ड्रॉप्स. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट्स इज 5,41,100. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट्स इन कैंडी ड्रॉप. ओके, and 2.396 million airdrop to be shared USDT. Okay, everybody. So project list is given here. आलो यहाँ पे देख सकते टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेट्स एज ऑफ नाउ, टिल नाउ. Total number of participants is 13,800. Okay, total number of participants as of now is 13,802. Airdrop type जो है guys, that is trade. Okay, airdrop type is that is trade. And distance to end. Okay, distance to end is 4 days 16 hour. Okay, get involved now पे अगर जाऊंगी मैं तो यही पेज खुलेगा. तो ये तो पेज मैंने यहाँ पे मैंने आपको दिखाया हुआ है. Okay, you will navigate to this page. Okay, you'll navigate to this page. I have already been through this project. Okay, everybody. So this live stream is going to be end now in few seconds, everybody. Again, I am saying, if somebody have any query, please feel free to ask me the questions, everybody. Okay, please feel free to ask me the questions. ठीक है, ongoing है everybody. Event जो end होगा, it will end on 4 days. It will end in 4 days, everybody. It will end in 4 days. So just have a look on the date, everybody, date and time. Any query related to the current topic, everybody? Current prevailing topic? ओके, चलो. गेट लॉन्च पूल, ये तो मैंने ये सारा डिस्कस कर दिया आप लोगों से. ये मैंने ये सारा जितना भी यहाँ पे डिटेलिंग था, ये मैंने सारा ये डिस्कस कर दिया आप लोगों से. इसको स्टिक करना यहाँ पे. टास्क को आपको कंप्लीट करना है बेसिकली टू. ओके, okay, everybody, any question, please feel free to ask me if you have any questions, my dear loved ones. RWA raw. Okay, RWA raw यहाँ पर है everybody. अगर यहाँ बात करूँ तो ये ऑफिशियल ट्विटर हैंडलिंग. ये आप ये you can go through all the links and do your own research as well, everybody. Followers यहाँ पे इनकी देख सकते हो. They have a huge number of followers and they have designed their website very beautifully. तो आप यहाँ पे गो थ्रू कर सकते हो ऑफिशियल ऑफिशियल ट्विटर हैंडलिंग पे, और आप जाकर सर्च करो एवरीवन, डू योर ओन रिसर्च। ओके, अनाउंसमेंट सेक्शन तो हम लोगों ने गो थ्रू किया है, हैश टैग गेट लॉन्च पूल, ठीक है। ऑनगोइंग प्रोजेक्ट्स, ओके, लॉन्च पूल सेक्शन, रिस्क वार्निंग तो मैंने गो थ्रू कर दिया है। आई हैव गॉन थ्रू द रिस्क वार्निंग सेक्शन एज वेल। ये वाली जो डेटा है एवरीबॉडी, टोटल प्राइस पूल जो 30 लाख RW एंड द मैक्सिमम शेयर पर पर्सन इज 10,000 रो। सो दिस इज द वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट point everybody, this is the very very important point, okay, so you need to take care of। okay everybody, how to participate, ये तो मैंने सारा ये चीज डिस्कस कर दिया आप लोगों से, how you will take participation into address, ये वाली तो मैंने ये लिंक ऑन, ओके, यहाँ पे आपको बेसिकली ये लॉगिन करने का दिया हुआ है गाइज, एड्रेस, ट्रेडिंग एड्रेस get.com पे अगर मैं जाकर देखूं तो ये इसका स्पॉट खुलता हुआ नजर आ रहा है एवरीबॉडी। ओके, सो दिस इज द स्पॉट ऑफ द रॉ USDT। रॉ USDT का स्पॉट हमें देखने को मिल रहा है। So this is the raw USDT spot everyone, okay, and rise and fall की बात कर लो तो कुछ यहाँ पे हमें देखने को मिल रहा है, प्लस में जाता हुआ 21.76% का परसेंटेज का चेंजेस लेता हुआ दिख रहा है। 24 आवर लोवेस्ट प्राइस इज 0.01132 एंड 24 आवर ट्रेडिंग वॉल्यूम की बात की जाए तो इट्स 452 मिलियन एवरीवन। And 24-hour trading volume in USDT is 6880800 million everybody। ओके, तो बहुत ही अच्छा इंक्रीज यहाँ से मिलता हुआ दिख रहा है एवरीबॉडी, ये देख सकते हो इंक्रीज। सो यू आर इन अ वेरी वेरी गुड स्टेट ऑफ इंक्रीज विथ दिस वंडरफुल प्रोजेक्ट रॉ USDT का। दिस इज द स्पॉट अकाउंट एवरीबॉडी, okay, this is the spot account of the raw USDT। काफी zigzag सा पैटर्न भी बनता हुआ दिख रहा है, but you are in a very good spot। okay, all right, so any question anybody wanted to ask, please feel free to ask me everyone, because this live stream is going to be end now। स्पॉट पे आप देख रहे हो क्या वेरिएशन हमको मिल रहा है, ये ऑफिशियल स्पॉट है। स्पॉट को भी गो थ्रू करना है एवरीबॉडी बिफोर डूइंग इन्वेस्टमेंट, ओके, स्पॉट को भी आइडेंटिफाई करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट। GT यहाँ पे -1.51% का परसेंटेज का चेंजेस लेता हुआ दिख रहा है, ओके। ओके एवरीबॉडी, सो थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव टुडे। Really appreciate everyone, you all have come to join my live, thank you so much everybody। I hope everybody has enjoyed this live stream and I have able to provide you as much as information, okay, and all the relevant information I have provided you, okay। So thank you so much everybody, don't you forget to join my next live everyone। So take care of yourself everybody and have a nice day, thank you so much for joining once again, have a nice day everybody।